Alright, the concept behind this particular video is to show how to use a view from a linked project as a basis for a view in another project, essentially. So in this case, let's say this is the architectural model, and the architect has gone ahead and created a building section, and then from that building section has generated, for example, a call-out view of a wall section. So we'll just do that real quick. Create a call-out view here. And the name of this call-out view might be something like typical arc wall section. Okay, so that's what the architect has done. Now the structural engineer comes along, and of course they've linked the architectural project into theirs. So let's open up the structural model. And so the structural engineer is cutting a section essentially in that same wall, and wants to use the architectural callout as kind of like a background. So let's go to that building section view that the structural engineer has created. And what we'll do, and of course the architectural model must be linked into the structural model for this to work. If we go to the visibility graphics overrides for that particular view, and then to Revit links, notice that there is the architectural linked model. We're going to change the setting from by host view to by a linked view. And then we'll find that linked view, which happens to be that typical architectural wall section that we saw in the architectural model, and click OK. Now, depending on what you're trying to do here, you may want to make this halftone, the background halftone in this particular view. So we'll just do it for in this case. You may not want that, but we'll hit apply, hit OK, and notice that now we have the architectural background here in this view as halftone. That's essentially how you do that.